I'm on a quest to automate the majority of the tasks in both my work and personal life so I can have the time to focus on the things that really matter to me, and you can do the same. Enjoy my free Skool community where I provide the automations and I provide a do-it-yourself video format. In these videos, I guide you through a detailed process of building the automations that fit your unique lifestyle. Many of us battle with the avalanche of daily tasks that steals our time. We crave for solutions, but often feel lost on where to start. Many give up even before they start, missing out on this incredible opportunity for freedom. It's time to break free and reclaim what once missed. You can never get it back. Little moments with family, friends, and even time for a passion. Many people think that automations are only for tech nerds or even major corporations. It's not. Automation is for everyone, and I'm here to prove it. Also, do you think that automations has to be costly or complicated? That's a myth. My videos are the spark to ignite your own automation journey. Join me in this channel where I expose the magic of automation and what it can do for you. Gain the insights on how to reclaim your precious time, because every minute counts. Imagine turning what once seemed very complex into a fun and engaging process. In my free Skool community, you will find full-length tutorials and templates that simplify every step, making building automations a breeze. By diving into this quest with me, not only will you learn to automate, but you'll also rediscover the joy of time spent on what matters. In my community, I also give you other options to have the automations be done for you. Are you ready to unlock the wonders of automation without breaking the bank? Get ready to reclaim the control of your life for free. Together, we will turn automation dreams into an inspiring reality.